Retevis B63S Walkie-Talkie, hiking gear, camping, outdoor, Type-C, Vox, license-free, PMR, ultra-thin, review. Looking for the perfect walkie-talkie for hiking or camping? Let's check out the Retevis B63S in under a minute. First, it's ultra-thin, just 15 mm. It fits perfectly in your pocket. The LCD screen keeps you informed on channel and battery life. It's got modern features like USB-C charging, so you can use one cable for everything. The Vox mode lets you talk hands-free, and there's a dedicated emergency alarm button for safety. Ready out of the box on the license-free PMR band, with 16 channels and up to 3 km range. A 1620 mAh battery means you're covered all day. A great, slim option for your adventures. Want to get a pair? Check the link in the description below to buy now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.